What is sweet corn and why is it grown? Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of sweet corn, a true gem among vegetables. You've probably seen it on grocery shelves or maybe even grown it in your garden. But did you know that it's not just delicious, but also a great source of income? So what is sweet corn? It's a special variety of regular corn, known for its high sugar content. Unlike field corn or grain corn, sweet corn is harvested earlier when the kernels are still tender and sweet. This is the corn we love to eat. Boiled, add to salads, or grill. There are plenty of sweet corn varieties out there. Some of the most popular ones include Golden Bantam, Peaches and Cream, and Honey Select. Each variety has its own unique traits, from taste to yield and disease resistance. Yield and acreage. When it comes to yield, sweet corn can produce anywhere from 10 to 15 tons of ears per hectare. But that's not all. This crop also has a high return on investment. With proper care and the right irrigation techniques, you can achieve even better results. In countries like Ukraine, the area planted with sweet corn is increasing every year due to its consistent demand. Uses of sweet corn. Sweet corn is incredibly versatile. It's consumed fresh, canned, or frozen, and it's also used to produce corn syrup. Plus, it's a fantastic ingredient for salads and side dishes. How much can you earn? Now let's get to the exciting part. How much can you make from growing sweet corn? With proper business management and market access, profitability can be quite high. On 1 hectare, you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. It all depends on yield, product quality, and market prices. So sweet corn isn't just tasty, it's profitable too. If you're interested in agribusiness, consider this crop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the fascinating world of agriculture.